So we all know the iPhone 4, right? Released in 2010, was pretty revolutionary, had a new design that was even leaked way before it was even announced. Had the antenna gate, which, you know, blocked signal if you held it like this, how you usually would hold a phone back then. It came with Apple's first design chip, the A4. But not only that, but it came with a really nice feature. Let's get our nice iFixit toolkit here. What does this take? The one that looks like a star. And with that, we can just slide it up, and boom, we have access to the battery, and we can easily replace it. So the iPhone 4 series, including the 4S, are actually pretty repairable. If you crack the back glass, no worries, just unscrew it, slide it off, and just replace it with another one. Same with the battery. If you have a bad battery, swipe up the back glass, take it off, unscrew the battery connector, unplug it, then there's this pull tab to help get off the battery. Yes, it's a mismatched iPhone 4 because the back glass did break. I bought it like this. This was not my doing. I bought it like this. How crazy, someone who destroyed iPhones for a career is now going to repair them. And yeah, you could easily have a new iPhone. Now, I have more iPhone models. This is another CDMA iPhone 4, and this is an iPhone 4S. All of them do turn on. It probably bothers you that this one's on iOS 7, but these two aren't. But yeah, it's the same deal on this one too, where you can just unscrew and then slide up the back and then take it off. That's so crunchy, I don't like that noise. Ugh. And now we screw it back together. There we go. The back is now screwed together. Complete iPhone 4. And I'll do it again with the 4S because, you know, why not? You know it's a 4S when it has a SIM card slot. And also this.
Siri not available. Connect to the internet.
So let's get cracking in on this phone too. Oh, the 4S screws are actually shorter than the 4s. Same deal, you just lift up and then bam. The 4S. Oh my goodness. I feel like the more we dig into these iPhones, the more like weirder they look on the inside. What is happening to that camera? I've never opened up these iPhones before. I was just trying to demonstrate how easy it was, but I didn't know that there were like stuff going on inside these things. We're just gonna put this back on and just, there we go. And now we screw it back together. And there we go. The 4S is back together. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have enjoyed, give it a like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.